Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PLTR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day, and I will say that a little tricky to talk about because it's really all about your perspective going in, because today in and of itself was a bearish day. In fact, in trading jargon, this is what we would call a gap and trap. So on Wednesday, the price closed right there, and then this morning the price opened up there, hence what is known as a gap up. After the market opened up, the price made a little bit of a move to the upside, and then that's where things get relatively savage because there was a bunch of poor souls that were buying up around here. And then from that point, it was a whole lot of downward selling pressure. So in and of itself today, a bearish, not a good day. But if you care about more so a big picture, if you're saying, well, Clay, I'm not a day trader, I care about more than a single day, I care about multiple days, I care about just the grand scheme of things, then everything is still perfectly fine. And that's, no better illustrated, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have watched past videos. But if you have watched past videos, hopefully remember me talking about that green line there at 1450 being an area of support. I mean, you just can't make this stuff up. Surprise, surprise, after this big old pullback there, as of now, the price is still maintaining right above that level, which again, emphasis on the big picture, is a great thing, because look at that. What is that implying right now? Well, like I said, as long as the price continues to stay above that area, that implies that there's a set of lows there. You'd have those lows there. You'd have those lows there. You'd have these lows down there. And if you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, from the big picture perspective, very clearly still have upward stair steps in the bullish direction. And that's what matters. Again, if all you cared about was today and you bought right there, then yeah, the chart looks really, really bad to you. But assuming you care about the grand scheme of things, everything is still perfectly fine. The trend is still fully intact. So moving forward, $14.50 remains that key area of support, and then another area of resistance up at $15.85. Although it was temporarily broken with the gap up because the price, has ultimately, pulled back below it, that would still be considered an area of resistance moving forward. But all in all, still one day left this week, so let's see how it decides to close out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.